guys, so today we are going to be drawing. We're going to be doing how to draw a parrot. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video, and put the notifications on so you will never miss a video. So let's get started. I'm not going to color today, so I'm going to use is a pencil, and if I'm not going to outline it, but if you want to outline it, you can, but I am not going to. So if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. So I'm just going to do something like this. And then going to do that. That is going to be the beak. And I might have to move the camera out because it's going to be a big drawing. So... and now you are going to do like that. Let's do this. Like that. And like this. Like that. Okay, so let's do the eye. Like that. A parrot. So now we're going to be drawing the wings. Okay, wait, I'm going to move the paper down like that. I'm going to do like the wings. That is one wing, and we're going to be doing the other wing right now. The other wing, we could do designs. Oh, the camera's moving. If you guys hear background music, noise, I'm sorry. Now we're going to be doing the legs and the tail. This is actually like a really quick drawing. Now let's do the tail. I think tail is the hardest part for me, because it just doesn't look right. That is, wait, now I need to draw like the log. So this bird was, this parrot was supposed to be like more like wider, but it was actually really thin. But that was it. Bye. And you can color if you want to. I'm not going to color it.